Today, I'll be teaching you guys how big guys can add contacts to your iCloud and iPhones. In order to do that, you need to turn on a setting, because you cannot go inside contact individually. Sync them all right. Once you turn on the setting, all of your contacts will automatically be synced. For that first, you need to click on setting off your iPhone. From inside, setting at the top, it's going to show you your iPhone's name. My iPhone's name is Jake Knowledge. Yours going to be different. Whatever you have written, just click on it. Once you're over here, you can see this option called iCloud. Click on iCloud. And once you're inside iCloud, over here where it says app using iCloud, and you can see the option called Show All. Click on Show All. From over here, you can see this option called Contacts. Mine is turned on. That's why all of my contacts will automatically be synced or automatically be, saved in iCloud. If it was off, then it was not going to be, as you guys can see. So, yeah, make sure it's on. Alright, then if you want to unsync your contact and delete all the contact that is stored on your iCloud, you can just turn off the setting and click on delete from my iPhone, and all of your contact, which is stored on your iCloud, will be deleted. And you need to keep that in mind. Once it's deleted, you cannot recover it again. So I want my contacts to be synced. So I will turn this on. And if you also want your contacts to be saved on iCloud, make sure it's on. So that's how you guys can sync your iPhone contacts to iCloud. If you guys found her video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.